Hello students, welcome back to the online classes of Kachapara Ambedkar Public School. School has arranged the online classes for the benefits of the students during this lockdown. As the online classes and the uploading of videos are going on, several chapters have been completed and the second round of revisions are going on. Today we will revise the chapter called Finding the Toothbrush from Class 5 English Literature book. The story is written by Jerome K. Jerome. It is an excerpt from the Three Men in a Boat by Jerome K. Jerome. The speaker and his two friends, George and Harris, are going on a boating holiday on the River Thames in England. As Jerome, Harris, George are ready to set out on a journey, they start packing for it. Being the narrator, Jerome describes how the packing experience went. Jerome is quite confident with his packing skills as he handles it all alone, while in reality he wishes to simply supervise the packing session while making his friends do the work under him. However, they listen to him and let him handle it all by himself while they sit and relax. This doesn't impress Jerome. Nonetheless, he gets to it. Finally, after a long packing session, he packs the bag up while his friends watch him quietly do all the work. Soon, Harris tells him about the shoes that he did not pack, and Jerome will have to reopen the bag to make space for them. Thus, after learning about the shoes, Jerome remembers his toothbrush, which he did not pack. In order to find it, he empties the hole just for one toothbrush. Alas, he finds it inside a boot and packs the bag again. After that, we see that one more query arises for the soap by George. Consequently, this irritates Jerome so much that he doesn't pay heed to it and packs the bag anyway. However, to his mistake, he has to reopen it again due to his spectacles being locked inside the bag. This packing session finally concludes at 10 o'clock. So, we see that after taking such a long time to pack, Jerome's other two friends pack the hampers themselves to show him how it's actually done. However, they are also similarly cocky and break many things, including a cup into pieces. Further, they squash tomatoes and tread on butter while also smashing the pies. In addition, there is salt flying here and there during this process. Thus, after much chaos, they try to put things back in order. But finally, the final packing ends at around 12:50 in the night. After tiring packing session, they decide the time to get up for the next morning, and George dozes off before engaging in this conversation. So students, go through the story thoroughly by line and learn the new words and learn the new spellings also. Thank you. Have a nice day. Here I want to mention the question answers from this chapter. You can see the question answers here. There are the question answers that we already have solved. Where were the speaker and his friends going? What were some of the things they had to pack? The speaker and his friends were going on a boating holiday on the River Thames in England. Some of the things they had to pack were boats, toothbrush, soap, hampers, plates, cups, kettles, bottles, jars, pies, stoves, cakes and tomatoes. What was Jerome K. Jerome rather proud of? He was rather proud of his skill of packing. There are other question answers also. What irritates Jerome most? Seeing other people sitting around when he is working irritates him most. What did Harry start with packing the hampers? He started by breaking a cup. What did George do to butter? George trod on butter. Who offered to pack hampers? George and Harris offered to pack hampers. According to Jerome, who was the worst packer? According to Jerome, Harris was the worst packer in the world. Where was the toothbrush found? Lastly, it was found inside a boot. So students learn the answers with proper pronunciation and actual spellings. Thank you. Have a nice day.